I like the traditional ones because you know the recipes, you know what you're getting. There's no guessing. With rabbit, it was like, do you think rabbit pot pie would be good? And we make it and we're like, not really.
It's all dark meat rabbit, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, no, the backs are pretty white meat.
You're really crazy.
I caught this fish and it was that big. I was using this lure that was only this big. So I'm over 160 back here.
What if you got?
I need to move my fire up here and cook these shoulders a little bit. But I'm gonna do a little surgery here for a second.
Wait, where's your other camera, Arthur?
It's sitting on a brick under that tree.
Trees in the yard.
That big maple right there?
Oh, the first taste.
Oh yeah.
You have to take another bite.
Okay, who knows pork? So I'm having like red meat in here.
That's the smoke thing.
That's smoke. Okay, thank you. And the blood here.
That's blood. It's running clear, so that means it's cooked.
Thank you. I'm glad you're here for another reason.
Another reason we're glad you're here.
I'll take a piece.
You want to grab a piece?
Your battery's about to die. Do you have another one in your pocket?
No, inside.
Hey, Daddy, can I
If you want a piece, grab it.
It is gone.
Some mustard.
Is it hot?
Ooh, that thing's white.
Oh wow. That's really good.
Oh, sorry.
We don't need this? I'm ready to go if you guys are.
I'm ready. Nope.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's filling the juices.
Do you mind holding that for a second?
Of course.
Yep. I'm gonna tilt the upper.
What are you gonna do with the juice?
I'm actually gonna put it on right by the sauce.
I think it's going to chop better.
I almost say we should, if we're gonna pull, we should try to pull these, and I'm gonna start.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull the shoulders off.
Okay.
Start slicing.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put skin into one of these because I know everyone loves that.
Bearable barehanded start.
So far, but that's about to change.
Well, you can go much deeper barehanded, right?
Well, they'll end up looking like him though.
That you can come into. So that's really, really nice. So, and there's pockets.